Is this what you call pregnant? Okay. Gagat kami. Nalulong kami. Let's wait for that. Yes, Ivan. Ivan, do I look like a pregnant? Uh, that Liz called me pregnant. Ivan, can you kick that Liz? You have the power to kick that, Ivan. Do it now, Ivan. I command you, Ivan, to kick that Liz. I hit that Liz. I hit his big mouth. He called me pregnant.